code for my final project, gym game. So here you see this is usually the Bitmoji code. This is my Bitmoji, and as I use it in all my programs that I've written, all my games that I wrote in the past and in the future. So this is code for Bitmoji. Here you see these are the variables, scenes, which control the scenes of the games, like the screens of the game, splash screen, gameplay screen, pause screen, and also game over screen. And this is the score, so it calculates the score. And this is the level, which start from 1, and the higher, the more pause score you get, the higher the level. And this is the start time equal to millis. This is our time for lives. We have 3 lives. And this is Khan button class that I use in my program. So this one is a class. So this is the main class button, and those are the prototypes for the draw. And for is mouse inside, this means like is mouse inside the button if you click on the button. So this one, the handle mouse click this, or the handle the mouse click, like what should the button do if it is inside the mouse, and if it's click mouse click on it. So here I have my first button, super button, which means the start button. So start game by this button, and see to change the scene to number 1. This means like it turns bring the gameplay scene, and also melee is equals to start time, so it calculate the starting time, and the timer start from when we press the it start working. This is the button that we use to pause the game. So I changed the scene to true. So this means that it will go to the pause screen, and resume buttons. I changed scene back to 4, which 4 means I put the screen number gameplay to the 4, so resume button will bring you back to the game. And this mouse click button, this means like the mouse click function. This is a function where mouse is clicked. So super button, pause button, resume button, this is like the handle mouse click, like what should they do when click on it. And this is the main class for my Bitmoji. So this dot x is equal to mouse x because it runs over the mouse. And also Bitmoji draw function. This is the prototype for the Bitmoji. It's a method that draws our Bitmoji and keep it in the screen. So this one is check for gem grab. This is also the game scoring method. So if like the gem is inside the area, so inside the area of the Bitmoji, so we should grab it. And when it grabs the gem y, gem should go, gem y is equals to -5 to 4000, which will go back up the screen and come down. And this gmx is equal to 80, between 80 and 37, 370, just randomly anywhere on the screen. And score plus plus means that if we grab a gem, the score should go higher. And also this one is like the gem, if it hit the ground, like if the gmx equals or higher than 79, this means ground, and equals or higher than height times height times 0.95. This means like plus weight. So if it hit the ground, the gem should go back to -4000, because if it does not go back to -4000, it will stay there, and it will be the life will go downward and downward, and it will like this. It will give an error. And also the gmx will be also random, so it randomly come from anywhere at once. And also this is the function for our gem, the one which is falling, like those gems that are falling. This is the function for them, like the main class for them. And then the draw function is going to draw the gems. And so this is loop, this is array that we created to put gems inside. Like this loop push gems inside the array, so we can control it. Like the gems, every gem that come from here is like it push the loop push the gem, so it falls down from all over the screen. And So here it starts our screen. This is our splash screen, which has our like super button there, my Bitmoji, and we have some text over there in the splash screen, which is the startup screen. What you see here is my Bitmoji, this is some six, and this is the start button. Then we have gameplay function, so which we have our Bitmoji and also loop for grabbing gems and gem speed. It controls our gem speed. So if we like when we click start button, this is our magic Bitmoji, and the gem speed is right now it's equals to 3. So if we higher it, it moves higher. And check for gem grab. So it means like when the gem is grabbed, you see, the gem is grabbing, it's grabbing the gems. Also, this is our ground, and this is Bitmoji dot draw prototype. So it draws our Bitmoji. This is our scoreboard, like decoration. If you see these scoreboards, and this is black screen and scores, labels, time, likes, pause button, and this is the flag of my country. For this decoration, this is my name. Here is the game name. So then I put hertz. Here I put hertz just to to show lives. I put pause button, which is going to pause the game, and this one, like if lives equal to 2, there will be ellipse on the hertz, so it's hidden. This there's no hurt available. If lives equals to 1, so like 2 hurt will be hidden by putting black ellipse on it. It will be hidden the screen. So if lives equal to 0, all the hertz will be hidden, and the scene will equal to 3. So when scene equal to 3 means we have game over. Like you see 1 hurt equals to 2, then equals to 1, and equals to 0, game over. Let's look at the screen. So here, it scores a high got higher equals or higher than 25, the levels equals to 2, and if scores for Harrison equals to 630, levels equal to 3. So this is like I managed over there, like the upper side in the for loop. If we see, the higher the level goes. So I put it the way that more gems will be coming. Like if scores more than 25, 2 gems at a time will be coming down. And this, if the score is more than 60, there will be a bunch of gems coming falling. And if score goes more than 100, so the level will increase to 4, and there will be tons of gems coming falling down. This is our pause screen, which has this is our pause screen function, which has some, like if we put pause button, here it is. We have Visual on it. We have game pause and like some text. So there is our game over function. So like our game is over. So it shows literally it shows gems, how many gems collected, and some text like. So here in the draw function we use bunch of conditions. So if scene is equal to 0, it goes flash. So like this means this is our 0 scene. So scene 0 number 0 is this one. If scene is equals to 1, gameplay like we start it, or the like at first we say that the game screen will start. So let's start. Change this into number 1, so it's number 1. So if scene is number 2, scene number 2, pause menu. So if we push pause button, it changes the scene on number 2. So here we have pause menu, and then also if we have if scene is equals to number 3, we have the end game and game over screen, which is number 3. If scene is equals to number 4, so I put this for just for like pause button, for resume button, like because I put pause resume. If I go click on resume button, the game will come back from where we stopped. You see the timer is 12, and like we have 4 points. Try it again. See? So if I resume it, it will go come back from the where I stopped.